Step 14. Final Inspection Checklist. Always use the checklist included in the installation manual during your final inspection to ensure a proper installation. Check that the primary and backside rail is bolted at all posts except post 3. Check at post 1 that the post bolt notches face the impact head. Check that post 1 is bolted to the ground strut. Check that posts 3 through 6 are standard steel line posts. Check that the friction plate is in the lock position and bolted in place. Check that the nuts on the impact head are on the outside. Check that the ground strut lays flush and level with the ground. Check that the ground strut does not protrude more than 75 mm above the ground. Ensure that the entire terminal is installed with a straight flare of 0 to 1.2 meters. Check that the slider panel is attached to the trailing end of rail 1 with the nuts on the outside. Check that the slider bracket is attached to the approach end of rail 2 with the nuts on the back side of the rail. Ensure that the piece of angle is installed on the slider bracket with the flat side pointing toward the trailing end of the system. Check that the yellow shear bolts are used to splice rails 2 and 3 at post 5. Check that the cables are taut and not visibly sagging.